Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great amazing tech video. Well, the video of today it's all about the Tecno Phantom 9. Well, the rumors were around the corner and they were all rounded up, but actually Tecno launched the Phantom 9. But straight out of the box, what does it have? And there are things which surprised me actually. Like Tecno did something which is quite a little bit flagship, but a little bit mid-range, and it's just like they're playing something over there. Now let us just break it out. First of all, we are seeing something new, like a summary. We're seeing something like a on fingerprint board. Now they introduced a fingerprint board, which is quite interesting, but me, I thought that they will eliminate all the notches and the teardrops, something which they actually didn't do that. And something else which we're seeing on this device, we're seeing more pixel throughout front facing camera, and we're seeing a triple camera. Now when it comes to the camera side, it has a 32 megapixel camera on the front side. I know what you're thinking. I know definitely what you're thinking. This is gonna be amazing. Just chill out, relax, you're gonna enjoy it more. So something else about this kind of Tecno is just that it's dual flashlight. On the front side you get a dual flashlight, which is quite impressive. A lot of people are like, yeah, now that kind of night is gonna be like, yeah, night light. So another kind of stuff which we're seeing on this Tecno Phantom is we are seeing a rear camera with less pixels. I mean 16 megapixel, that's for sure. Me, I thought that they're gonna do that kind of stuff, like, you know, 32 here, 24 here, 32 there, 42 here. But what they did is something else which is quite different. Tecno devices on the front facing camera, whenever you're recording a video, you will get too much exposure. You'll just get busted, boom. And you'll be like, surprisingly, what's happening is because of the camera side, or is it because of the setting side? Well, it's because of the setting side, because too much of exposure, it just does automatically exposure. You can control the front facing camera exposure from the Tecno side, but yeah. So I hope on the next future they're gonna roll out updates, but that has been like a disease to them. They can never roll out updates. Less updates. 3500 milliampere battery. Well, 3000 milliampere battery, be to that they're gonna do like a big change here, like a 5000 milliampere battery, but they gave us a less battery, and I think to my own kind of aspect is quite not bad. It's quite interesting. And something else we are having on this kind of device is we are getting the 1080 display, and it's a 6.3 inch aspect body ratio out of it, of the display, and I think to my own kind of aspect is quite not bad. Another kind of stuff which is so interesting is a 6 GB of RAM. You're gonna love it. You're gonna use it. You're gonna use the 6 GB of RAM. Well, nope. You're gonna use only 4 GB of RAM, since 2 GB of RAM gonna be used with the 6 kind of aspect is quite not bad. Something else out of the Tecno Phantom 9, what we're gonna see is Aurora. Now Aurora, what is Aurora? Well, at the back panel there's an Aurora, like a gradient. It fades around. I think they came up with only one color, which is Aurora, and they just didn't give us a different type of colors. I don't know why. It's because they rushed out and released this device as early as possible on July. I don't know, but I think to my own kind of aspect, the Aurora looks like the common series at the back panel. Looks like a gradient. I hope some of you guys, if you have the device, you have seen that already, and if you didn't see it, well, here are some few images of it. So I think to my own kind of aspect, the Aurora looks not bad, looks good. And another kind of stuff out of it, the body looks very premium, very nice, but it uses a processor of a MediaTek. Now MediaTek processor, I know some of the people who are using MediaTek, they're like, it's okay, it's a budget. Yeah, we know we can't get that flagship Snapdragon. It doesn't support Fortnite. Yes, well, we're gonna get Fortnite, we're gonna crack it. Yes, it's a long story short. Okay, here's the thing. Well, it supports a MediaTek processor. It does not support a Snapdragon, and I hope in the future they're gonna just use Snapdragon. Did that kind of part, why can't they just focus on getting that kind of Snapdragon? But remember that if they switch their lane to Snapdragon, that means the price point of this device is $200, almost like $200, and it won't be $200. That means it will be facing the flagship devices. So for the people who are claiming that they want a Snapdragon Snapdragon on this device, just that, not that for upcoming devices, if they decide to do that, they're gonna be a little bit not that much cheap. They're gonna be so expensive because of the processor type of Snapdragon. So I hope some of you guys got that kind of thing clear, and it comes in packed with Android 9.0. Now 9.0 is the latest and greatest ingredient Android on the market, and I think we're about to go to Android Q. That means nobody knows Android Q. Yes. If you know it, let me know in the comments down below. Yes, definitely. So I hope some of you guys got that kind of info clear, and I'm gonna catch you guys on another one. So if you're new here, my name is Abdurrahim. I want to consider subscribing to your homeboy here. It's gonna be amazing. I got good news for you. We have hit 2.2k subscribers. Support, literally clap our hands for our own self, because thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. But is this device worth it? Let me know in the comments down below. Yeah, can you toss $200 on this device? Just get it, and you know what I'm saying. So yeah, so let me know in the comments down below, and peace.